It's another beautiful evening here, coming live from East Africa, Kenya over here. I know some people are watching us from different countries. It might be a morning, afternoon, or evening, regarding of where you are. But right here, it's evening in Kenya. Today we have an amazing video for you that's coming from Moses 2M, live from East Africa, Kenya. Guys, you know we promise to bring the best videos for you, and our title is to educate, to empower, and also to entertain partly. Thank you very much for watching this channel, and if you are a new member, please remember to hit the notification bell so that when we upload the videos, you'll be among the team to get our amazing videos and you enjoy them. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to comment so that we know your interest and what you think and what you want us to add on this amazing channel. Much love, Moses 2M, and if you are our returning subscriber, most welcome, the home for the champion. So today, guys, our video for today gonna be an amazing one because we are trying to venture mostly in farming and agri business and other things like that. So today I have found this young man over here, Gologudu. This young man here told me just from my village area, but bro, I'm doing this kind of how do we call it? Chicken farm. Yes, this is a very nice project, and a lot of people have been doing this. Then I told him I need to visit just to see what you are doing. At least we can also create awareness to other people to watch this and also start the business. How are you doing?
I'm doing good.
Let me know your name, please.
Okay, I'm called Manasseh Sodonde,
Yes.
and I'm the founder of Vema Poultry Farming.
Vema
Poultry Farming.
poultry farming. Yeah, it's called poultry farming. That's the best title to give it. So, how long have you been doing the poultry farming?
Up to now, it is about 2 years.
2 years down the line.
2 years down the line.
Wow. I'll be having a lot of questions for you because you know you are going to explain for us what it contains by doing poultry farming. But let me ask you this simple question: why did you decide to do poultry farming and in the village?
Okay. I started doing this 2 years ago. I can remember it was 2022,
Yes.
and by that time I was doing it in the city as a side hustle job, where I started with around 20 chicks,
Okay.
which I bought each at shillings 200.
When was this? 20?
It was 2020.
Oh, that's like 1 year down, not 2 years, 2 years down the line.
Yes, it is
Yeah.
2 years. No, now we bought 20 chicks each at 100 shillings,
Yes.
and after 5 months, we again brought them to the market and we sold it at around 1,000 to 1,100 shillings.
What was the range? You bought at
200 shillings.
then you sold at
After 5 months, I
yes.
sold them at shillings 1,000 to 1,100 shillings.
I think that's a very nice profit range because from 200 to 1,000, that's a very big profit. Oh, that's great.
So by then,
Yes.
we were just doing, I can call it was just an experiment, because we were trying. We wanted just to see how profit it can be.
Yes.
So after that, we decided that yani we came to know that it was a good business.
Yeah.
And at town, we realized that we could not do it in a large scale due to scarcity of space. So reaching last year,
2023.
2023,
Yes.
around July there, we decided to transfer our farm home, because at home we had there a large tracts of land,
Yeah.
and there was a space there.
Yes.
So there we started by we built around we built a chicken house of around 20,000 shillings, which will accommodate up to 100 chicks.
Okay. Just a bit, guys. I see the story is kinda interesting. What do you think? Should we proceed in and see whatever is going on? Because as you're going to explain what's happening, we need also to see what's going on. You built it. Let's go and visit your farm, at least to see the real thing and whatever is happening over there. For the first time, guys, doing this kind of interview, poultry farming. I'm willing to do poultry farming. Kindly, if you are willing to do poultry farming, watch this amazing channel. Oh, Manasseh. So this is gonna be your poultry farming area. Don't capture Maomera. So explain to us. We can see you have a building here.
Okay.
How
now,
did it happen?
Now this the house started with
Yes.
it started around 20,000. So after that we brought in around 100 chicks.
100 feet.
Of day.
Uh-huh.
So after that we it's where I used to like the after I brought it.
Can you see what's happening?
Okay, but now
Okay, yeah, no. Just come close what you see where this guy is doing the brooding. I think.
so if you see there,
Yeah.
there's the brooder.
So this is the brooder.
You know it's put
I love seeing things. Curiosity. When you see something, you must touch it. Curiosity. Guys, see what's happening. Okay, right? Oh, so you place the fire?
Yeah, charcoal there.
Charcoal.
Eh,
Okay.
so it burns. So it generates heat
It generates heat in the house.
for for the day on 6 up to around 3 weeks there.
Around 3.
3 weeks.
Let the director stand on the other side so that at least you
Okay.
can capture. Don't go there, Koro.
Mm.
Yes. Uh-huh.
So yeah, so yes, where we do our brooding.
Yeah.
So we brought. So I usually brought day on 6 here.
Yeah.
Then they stay here for about 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So after 3 weeks, I transfer them here.
After 3 weeks, just come close. So what's happening here?
So as you can see, yeah, here we have 1 month old and above. They're about 1 month, 1 week here.
Okay.
They're about
Yes.
1 month.
Yeah, 1 month, 1 week.
They're about 1 month. And
Okay, just come over. Here. The door is open.
here they are around 40.
But this one looks sick. What's happening? Or it's just okay?
Become just okay.
So
Just
how old are they?
They
This
are
one?
1 month, 1 week.
Can you just zoom inside?
They're 5 weeks old.
These ones are 5 weeks old. Okay. So let me ask you something. Like right now, if you want to sell one, how much will you sell?
Sell one at 300 shillings.
300 Kenyan shillings.
That's normal price.
And the buying price?
The buying price was at 110 shillings.
110 shillings a day old.
Yeah, they
Okay. Next step, we have seen from the broodery section directly to where you keep them to start doing well, better.
So after here,
Yes.
here we brought exactly 3 weeks or 6.
Yeah.
So they can stay here and after they have come here, we start selling them.
Yeah.
So there we sell 3 weeks old at shillings 220 shillings.
220 shillings.
At 1 month we sell at 250 shillings, and at 5 weeks we sell at 300 shillings.
Let me ask you, which type of chicken do you keep?
These are called improved Kienyeji.
Or improved Kienyeji.
But breed is Sasso.
Okay.
Sasso type ni improved Kienyeji,
Yeah.
but breed is Sasso.
Misaso.
It's Sasso F1. Sasso F1.
Okay, let's proceed with your interview. What about this side? Are they the same?
Yeah, they are the same.
Yeah.
So so we also spread them up to the other end.
Okay.
And here down we put now above 2 months.
Above 2 months will be down here. Okay.
So these are so breed. They are breed that they start laying egg at around 4 months to 5.5 months.
4 to 4.5 months, they will be laying eggs. Okay.
So here we put up to 2 months old.
Yeah.
And above 2 months old, now we put them down here.
Okay.
So those are big ones.
You must have someone who motivates you to start the kind of poultry farming. How did it happen? Like, who motivates you and how and why? Like me, you have motivated me to start kind of doing this kind of project. But what about you? What motivates you to start this kind of
Okay, the person who motivated me to start this type of project, I can say that it was just from childhood. I was just and I was just in love with
farming,
chicks.
with chicks.
With chicks.
Okay.
So I had a dream that one time, I will also on my farm. So even if I was working there, I was just dreaming that one day I will just have to travel home and start my own farm.
Okay. The most challenge that you face during this kind of project, now, because our audience might be willing to start this kind of project. We might have challenges in each and every project that we do. Let me know. Advantage and disadvantages. Let me know.
Okay, just start from disadvantages part of it.
Yeah.
One, I can just say just insecurity because something may invade you and just like from thieves, animals, this pest like rats.
Yeah.
Maybe if maybe pests they can interfere with it by spreading diseases.
Yeah.
And also thieves may come if thieves so that you are doing this kind of job. You can also be
Electricity. Electricity. There's no power.
okay. Here I don't work with electricity.
Yeah.
I just work with solar.
For the lighting.
For the lighting,
Yeah.
and for the heat generation, I use charcoal.
Charcoal.
And
So this is my one. I think this one still is going to be on challenges or some disadvantages. But let me ask you, how do you spend on them? How do you feed them? Because you cannot out them without food.
Okay.
You haven't explained that, so kindly do for me.
Okay. By the time we brought in new stock, let's say day-old chicks,
Yeah.
we will feed them on a feed called starter crumbs.
Starter crumb. What is starter crumb? I'm a farmer of maize.
Okay.
I dwell much in maize and vegetable. I've not dealt with poultry.
Okay,
So
just to
bear with me.
just to release what starter crumbs are. These are just chicks feeds. They these are just chicks feeds which help chicks to grow faster. Like they have some vitamins, they have some contents there. They are highly content that they make all chicks become bigger faster and
Okay.
also strong.
Okay.
So at one day old, we feed them with starter crabs up to 1 month.
How much is one?
We always deal with the 50 kg. 50 kg we bought at 4,000
And how many will you use until the time that you're going to export them now for the market?
Okay, I always brought in 600 chicks. So chicks, 600 chicks. So for 600 chicks, I usually use around 10 bucks.
For the 5 months.
Yeah. Not for the 5 months, for 2 months.
For 2 months is
Yeah.
10. So another 2 months, then that's 4 months. Then you sell them at 5 months.
At 2 months, 600 chicks, I use 10 bags of starter crops.
Yeah.
That is 40,000.
Are you trying to tell me that this project is kind of expensive?
It is not expensive.
And for a beginner, what should we do?
Okay, let's do this simple calculation. Let's say for day old chicks, I usually brought them in at a shillings of 120.
Yeah.
Then after 2 months, I put them at 350 shillings. That's the lower price I can sell them. But their price they can go up to 450 and also 400 shillings. So let's just do this simple calculation. Just calculation. 600 chicks times 350 shillings. Can you multiply this?
600 times. I'm not a good
Okay.
mathematician.
Now, just in short,
Yeah.
this is a good project. There's no loss there. It's just a matter of making profit.
Okay.
Just to sum it.
I love this kind of project, being that you're a young guy and doing this in the village. A lot of youths are doing, should I say, nothing, rather than to do something important to them. But the reality is, for someone who is trying day by day, one day you'll be blessed and you'll see whatever you need. Let me know. What can you tell to other people who are willing to start that kind of project? What can you tell them? And what can you tell to the youth? Because our title here is to educate and to empower. So let me know. Talk to our audience and tell them something. And how will they reach you? In case someone is willing to purchase, what will they do? But before you go into marketing, because you're going to finalize with that, let me know. Tell them something for the youth who are willing to start this or any other person.
Okay, thanks
Tell
so
them
much.
something.
Thanks so much. something I can tell my young villagers or teenagers outside there.
Yeah.
Nothing is impossible. Everything is possible.
Battery power is 5%.
Everything is
Okay.
possible.
Mm.
Even as we started from zero,
Yeah.
we didn't know that one day we reach where we are today.
Okay.
So it is just a matter of working hard, being determined, and also you be time conscious. You manage your time well, and also for you to venture in this poultry farming, you should also be a respect. A respect. A respect. You have to be a respect, and any loss you will occur, do it. You can just take it and just no. It's now you just do correction by yourself, and also be someone who is able of take. You are able of taking any correction if you have been corrected.
Yeah.
You just accept it. So that's all about I can tell. And if any time you wish to reach Vema Farm,
Yes.
you have so many videos there in our YouTube
No,
channel.
tell them your channel name because I want them to hear about your channel name.
Okay, our channel name is called Vema Poultry.
Kindly, I'd like to Vema VEMA Poultry Farm.
Vema Poultry.
Vema Poultry Farm. To my audience watching this video right now, please, I'll request you to turn over and visit this amazing channel, amazing guy, Vema Poultry Farm. And remember to support him, give a big comment, give a big like. Don't forget to subscribe because it's a upcoming guy. And if also you like to order for your hotel and other business and other food stuff and anything, you understand, let's know the number and anything else you like.
Okay, thanks again. If you want to reach us, Vema Poultry Farm, you can call us through this number 07.
No. It's plus 254.
Okay, plus 254
Yeah.
745
Yes.
29
Yeah.
7451.
Amazing. The day has been good, and today I've learned a lot of things. I would like to go and see some things here because I see this compound is full of chickens all over. I don't know why, bro. Everywhere chicken. And this type is called. How do you call this?
That type is called Kanga.
Tanga. I don't remember the name. Let me bring the tanga. This thing must have an English name, man.
English name.
Who knows the English name? Let me know, please, on the comments because I really love it. Do you sell this? And
Yes.
how much do you sell this one?
This one goes at 1,000 shillings, 1,500 shillings.
One or two?
But if you want to buy them two,
Yeah.
female and male,
Yeah.
we sell them at 3,000 shillings.
3,000.
And also we have their eggs here.
Can I see the eggs?
Yes. you can
Where?
see
Where are they?
They are there.
We're going to see the eggs, just one at least, but that one gonna be
But
personal for me only.
Okay, we sell one egg at
Yeah.
shillings 150 shillings.
Okay. Amazing, guys. I'm feeling so good, and the only thing the purpose of why we are here is here. We are here to motivate this guy to keep on doing this kind of amazing project and also to keep him going day by day. Bro, congratulations, and may you keep up doing this kind of project. The biggest number that you have ever kept, how many?
We have kept here 1,000.
1,000 chicks. Okay, that's good. You have YouTube channel. Kindly do videos about chicken farming and poultry farming. Explain to us, explain to other people whatever you are doing step by step, and your channel is gonna grow. We are there to support you. If you add another stock, the large stock, call me over. I'll come. We'll do a video. Still, we post just to motivate and also to market your project. It's all about to empowerment. So, guys, I'm so grateful and thank you very much for this great moment over here. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for the support you've been giving to Moses 2M right here in the village. Guys, the best is yet to come. And thank you very much for watching this video. May you enjoy and have a nice day. Goodbye. No, before we do, we have our director behind the camera, man. I want you to introduce yourself right here again.
Okay, my name is Damuno Nyango.
Yes.
Yeah.
What do you do, man?
I'm a farmer.
You might get opportunity over here on the kind of business you do.
Okay, I'm a plumber by profession.
Yeah.
I also do farming.
You do farming.
Yes.
You know, guys, I told you in my village, a lot of people are farming. 90% of us, we believe in farming, and that's how we grew. That's how we went to school. So this guy here is a very, very nice technician. For anyone who is having, like, you are building, have a project, piping and whatever, call this guy. He's gonna turn on and support you in whatever work you're doing. Give the number, man. You know, I'm trying to market you. If at all, it will be okay. Yes.
Plus 254 0366 2945.
Yes, thank you guys. Thank you guys. Enjoy the day. Moses, much love, everyone.